If you have to limes in your home, use to make this homemade soap, and your pots will glow like a mirror. To start this tip today, I will use a soap, and with the aid of a grater, I will grate the soap completely to facilitate the preparation. Now I will cut the limes into small pieces. Limes are one of the most important ingredients for the effectiveness of our tip, as it has a crucial function in fat removal. I will transfer to a blender, add 500 milliliters of water, and I will beat until shredding the limes completely. I'm sure you will thank me for this tip. After beating well, I will remove only the liquid. For this, I will use a sieve to separate the residues of lime from the liquid that we will use. Now I will put the soap that we grated completely in a pan. Have grated will facilitate melting. Then I will add the liquid of the limes. Then I will bring to low heat and mix at all times until the soap melts completely. Pay attention to the consistency and coloring of the mixture. When I get to that point, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar, and I'm going to mix it again until the sugar is added to the mixture. And now the ideal is also to add a tablespoon of baking soda. It is one of the main items of this mixture, assisting directly in the acidity contained in the lime. Notice that when it comes into contact with the rest of the mixture, it already begins to react. Take care that the pan does not overflow. Finally, I will add a little colorant, maybe the one you prefer. It will assist in coloring our soap, but this part is totally optional. I'll mix it so the color picks up our mix. Look at how amazing the result is getting. To finish the tip, I will put our mixture in containers with lid so that it is easier to store. And finally, just let it cool until the mixture hardens. You can even take to the fridge to speed up this process. Just this amount we prepare is enough for use for at least a month. I hope this tip is useful for you. I never stop using this mixture in my home, and so the soap will be ready for use. Just with a sponge. Without much effort, I can completely remove any dirt or even stains contained in the pots. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Lydia Supapati from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The acidity contained in lime is the main item to bring shine to your pots again. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.